Hello, everyone. Good day. This is Karine from DBSPH Academy. So, it's been a long time since I had my last video. I was so busy with my businesses. But anyway, I really want to share this. I'm so excited. Um, may mga VA talaga or aspiring VAs that na-PPM talaga sa akin and they asked me, Miss, where I can find job. And then I come up with a topic. And I also actually it's also a blog on on our website. Then I decided to create a video para mas mapaliwanag pa ito sa mga aspiring VAs. And not just for aspiring VAs but also sa mga seasoned VA na and they want to scale up or to earn more. All right, so let's get started. So these are the top list of legit platforms to find VA and freelancing job. So iisa-isahin natin siya later on. So I'm just gonna mention them. So first is Upwork, Guru, FlexJob, Freelancer.com, Fiverr, VA Networking, We Work Remotely, Remotive, Fancy Hands, Remote.com, Job Board, and online jobs at PH. And later, I'm gonna share to you as well yung mga free or other way to find job without subscription. Okay? So yun sa last part of our video. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, so I'm really ask for a favor to subscribe para mas marami pa kaming matulungan na aspiring VA. So just click the subscribe button and the notification bell para makareceive kayo ng mga updates about our videos. All right, so let's continue. Okay, the first one, kilalang kilala ng lahat ng VA and freelancer, Upwork.com. So it was formerly known as Elance Odesk. This is the largest or one of the largest world's work marketplace. So this is very popular to business professionals and freelancer worldwide. So it offers a lot of job like data entry, content writing, data mining, video editing, and a lot more. So marami kasing client dito, not just sa US, tsaka UK. May iba rin mga taga-German, Italy, may mga taga-Canada. Kumbaga, hindi lang naka-focus siya sa iilang nationality. And what I like with Upwork is it's really secured. There is a guarantee talaga na mababayaran ka kasi may mga agreement kasi yan. And kapag si client nakasubscribe sa Upwork, automatic, may madededuct dun sa credit card niya, especially kapag may invoice na nag-generate. Okay? So, what good din kay Upwork is, marami ka talagang pagpipiliang job. Yun nga lang, ang cons naman ni Upwork is may subscription siya kasi may connect yun. Para makapag-apply ka sa mga job, kailangan may connect ka. And bawat position or bawat job hiring, may connect na involved. Let's say 4 connect, 6 connect, depende. Okay? And then, ang good din naman sa Upwork kasi is kilala siya. Kaya maraming client ang trusted si Upwork. Other thing din na dapat nating malaman sa Upwork is may 20% siyang cut sa ating pay. Kasi naman, syempre, that's the way they earn then. Okay? And then, of course, pag Upwork talaga, kumbaga meron yung level, may mga pang beginner, experience, intermediate. Okay? So, next naman, is Guru. So, Guru is also a freelance marketplace founded in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So, marami ring VA jobs like katulad sa Upwork nga, ito rin ay popular sa mga employers because they can find a full-skilled and talented freelancer. So after you registered, you can search for job posted on the site, and you can also use filter para mas madali kang makahanap ng work. I'm not yet using this one, or never ko siyang nagamit, but I know that marami siyang reviews din. Okay? So next is Flex Jobs. Ito, I personally use this one. So if you're looking for a more reliable way to find remote, flexible, and verified jobs, Flexible or Flex Jobs will be a great online resource. Dito kasi sa Flex Job, they filtered yung mga scammer. And you have an assurance that the job offers are posted directly ng mga company. Okay? Hindi gaya nung dalawang na-mention. Dito kasi sa Flex Job, since it's a subscription-based site, meaning you need to, of course, may subscription din siya bago ka makahanap ng trabaho. So, good thing kasi dito na sa Flex Job, meron silang mga resources that will help you to improve your skills. Okay? Next is freelancer.com. I also use this one. May subscription din siya, monthly subscription. Pero hindi siya sobrang mahal. Kumbaga, kung medyo established ka ng VA, siguro mababayaran mo. Pero kung beginner ka pa lang, medyo mag-iisip ka muna. Okay. So, anyway, Freelancer is another crowdsourcing site where employers can hire freelancer to work in a various jobs like sales and marketing, kasi may mga category to software development, writing, data entry, etc. So it's also considered as the world largest freelancing marketplace for the number of users and project available. So once you have an account, you establish your profile, you can start competing with other virtual assistant by writing your best bid. So na-experience ko to, magbibid kami, yung sa iba kong mga kasamang or kakasabay ang mga freelancer. Magbibid kami kung magkanong amount. Si client, kunyari ako din yun. Si client, magmimili siya, o ang pinaka-best bid, yung pasok sa budget niya, and at the same time, yung skill set, nandun yung hinahanap ni client. Okay? So, ganun yung freelancer.com. Alright, so next is Fiverr. So Fiverr, I also used this one before. So this is another huge freelance job. But most of the jobs sa Fiverr is ano siya, mga short term, mga gig. Example ng mga job na ano ko dito is skip tracing, lead generation, or collecting information like research, ganon. Meron din cold calling. Pero ano lang siya, short term lang siya. Pero ang maganda dito, hindi ka nauubusan ng ano, ng gig dito. Lalo na kung maganda yung review mo. Kapag maganda yung review mo, yung client mismo yung magme-message sa'yo and they will ask you to work with them. Okay? So most of the tasks provided will not take too much of time and can be completed quickly. So you can check the website and create your profile. Okay? So next is VA networking. So like other sites that I mentioned earlier, it also has subscription, and this might be beneficial for you as well because there are job posting and opportunity are not only ones you can find on their site. They also have various training resources. Kumbaga, hindi lang job ang available dito. It also have training resources that can help you to establish your VA career or VA business. And it has key features that you can fully access if you avail the subscription. Okay, next. We work remotely. So We Work Remotely is another popular website where you can find freelance job offers. So they have over 100 trusted company posting directly to their site. And these companies are known for hiring remote workers for a long time. So kung sa Upwork or in ibang website, karamihan na nagpo-post doon ay mga small business owners and they're looking for someone who can help their business. Pero dito sa we work remotely companies, trusted companies, ibig sabihin, um, na-scan nila 'to ng maayos and they will filter kung sino yung puwedeng mag-post. Hindi yung basta-basta lang, basta nag-subscribe lang. Kaya may assurance ka na you're really working to a company and it can be a long term, okay? So, next is Remotive. Remotive is also well-known community for people looking for a remote worker. So you can find tons of VA job offered posted on their site. And they have weekly remote working tips that will help you to improve your skills. Fancy Hands. So Fancy Hands offers services for people who don't have much time to manage some tasks like data entry, research, making phone calls, scheduling appointment, and a lot more. Okay? So, if you do well on your job, itong maganda dito, there are chance that you can be promoted to a managerial position to manage BA. And payment will also base on the difficulty of the task. Isa lang sa mga napapansin ko kasi, nagba-browse ako sa mga iba't ibang, VA groups and they said they're having a hard time looking for a job. But when you watch this video and if you really want to invest something lang, not small amount, kapag nakakuha ka na ng job and ano na, you can ano naman, cancel your subscription kung puwede, 'di ba? Kasi ang pagiging VA is not just a job, but it's also a business. If you really want to stay longer in this industry, mag-invest tayo not just sa money but also our time and effort. Okay? So marami tayong pwedeng pag-applyan. Huwag tayong mag-focus lang sa Upwork, sa online jobs at PH. So don't lose hope, okay? Anyway, going back here on this video, eto rin, remote.co, I tried that, pero hindi masyado kasi nakakuha na nga ako ng client. So, it's a free job listing site where you can find freelance job from different industry. Ang ano lang dito, hindi mo siya mafi-filter based on the category. So, talagang, um, ano 'to, iba-browse mo talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. But the good thing it's free. Okay? Next, ito, free din ito, Online Jobs at PH. I personally use this one nung nagsisimula ako. It's one of the most popular website in the Philippines that aims to provide fantastic virtual services to many entrepreneurs and give Filipinos job opportunities. Actually, ang ano nito, founder nito American siya and nag-hire siya ng VA. And then na-realize niya, what if magtayo rin ako ng website where the clients can get VA na from the Philippines. So maraming services din na puwedeng nating applyan or job na puwede nating applyan. So may content writing, research programming, meron ding cold calling, general VA, and a lot more. So, this is specially made for Filipinos, meaning Filipinos lang ang kakumpetensya mo dito. Not like with other site kasi you are competing with different nationalities din. Okay? So, other thing din pala guys na hindi ko na-mention dito that I personally used nung nakakuha ko job, ang client. Yung unang client ko or I think pangalawa pala, sorry. Yung una pala parang randomly lang nag-chat sa akin. Yung pangalawa ko, nakuha ko siya sa Facebook group. Philippine Virtual Assistant siya group. Hindi ko na alam yung specific name ng basta pang Filipino VA. Nag-post siya doon that he's looking for a VA who can do cold calling. Na-post siya 3 days ago. Then I find na parang walang gaano nag-engage. Parang 3 lang ata yung nag-comment. Then nag-PM ako sa kanya. Then he invited me after a few days, he invited me for an interview. Naka-Zoom pa kami noon. Then, nung nag-interview, sabi niya, okay, mag-start ka na sa Monday. Then, ayun, hanggang ngayon, client ko na siya, kaparin siya, pero in-outsource ko na. Actually, isa lang yung VA ko, ngayon 2 na yung VA ko sa kanya. Kumbaga more than a year na rin, parang magtu 2 years na yung client. Then sa LinkedIn, libre din 'yon. You just have to connect to different business owners based sa industry na, gusto mo and skill set na gusto mong i-offer. Libre 'yon. You just need to take your too much of your time. Kumbaga, spend 2 hours a day to apply, to send messages, to send application sa mga nagpo-post sa Facebook group, may mga agency, may mga direct client. At 'wag tayong sumuko. Marami talagang trabaho. Kailangan lang nating maging magaling maghanap. Okay. So, thank you so much guys, for watching this video. I hope you learn a lot. And if you like this, paki-subscribe na lang din ng aming channel and like our Facebook page, Dives PH Academy. Share na rin 'to sa mga kakilala niyo para dumami pa ang aming followers. And then we have a community of VA and freelancer. Lumalaki na ang aming community. Almost 8,000 ng members nito. Work from home professional Philippines. Join na rin kayo. At marami kayong makikita ng job hiring, VA and freelancing tips na magagamit nyo sa inyong VA and freelancing journey. Salamat at see you on my next video. Bye-bye.